it is, but I have a strong feeling that these Amazon items are gonna either sell out or be marked up tremendously. So good on you for clicking on this video. I'm gonna be sharing Amazon items that you will need if you're into hair care, if you're into smelling good, if you're into staying organized, if you're into a space that you wanna just kind of elevate. Continue watching. I absolutely love Amazon favorite videos. I love them on TikTok. I love them on YouTube. I love them on Instagram. I love Amazon's account on Instagram and on TikTok. I'm obsessed. But sometimes it does get a little bit overwhelming. So I'm going to share my favorites that I feel if you're watching this, we kind of have the same vibe. So I feel like they're gonna be your favorites too, which make it worth your money. Listen, all the products that I shared in today's video will be linked in the description box below. I'm based out in Canada, so you'll see a link for the Canadian Amazon storefront, and you'll also see a link for the American Amazon storefront. So just to make it easier for you guys, I know a lot of you guys watch this are from the States, but I need to look out for my Canadian besties as well. So make sure to check out the link in the description box that correspond to your region. Ooh, that sounds so professional. I'm gonna start off with the heavy hitters. I don't know if you guys have noticed brands, trends really going into fragrances, whether it's your room smelling good, whether it's a nice candle, whether it's a nice perfume. Listen, I can tell you these two items, I don't know, I just have a strong feeling that they're going to be marked up tremendously. These odes or ouds, is it ouds or odes? These ouds, I'm telling you, they are going to, they've already gone viral, but I feel like they're just gonna be marked up just insanely. The fragrance that you need to pick up on Amazon today is Amber and Vanilla Musk. I'm telling you right now, if you mix this with your current favorite perfume that has the same notes, it just kind of elevates the smell, and not in the annoying kind, especially if you get these two or one of the two. It just kind of enhances. The way that I would best describe these fragrance oils is like putting salts onto your food. Like, you know what I mean? It just brings out the flavor a little bit more. That was good. I would highly, highly recommend, and you will thank me. Trust me, whether it's in the comments, DMs, emails, whatever it may be, you guys are going to love this. I've been obsessed, especially with Amber. It's like, it just smells yummy and good, okay? And you don't need a lot, you just need a little bit. But I've also seen a few girls mix it with oils, with like body oils. Personally, I see myself mixing this with my favorite oil, which is sweet almond oil. Still an OG. And the reason why is because I like body lotions and oils unscented. That way I can curate how I want to smell. Like, you know what I mean? So I would mix this with my sweet almond oil, which I have, and it just kind of elevates this like soft, yummy smell. It's so good. I promise you, you will be obsessed and you will not stop smelling yourself all day. I promise you. And if you don't know which viral TikTok video I'm talking about, I will link it in the description box below, because it like stopped me dead in my tracks. I was like, I had to hit up my friend and I was just like, where do I get this? Tell me right now. And there are a couple stores that do sell it, but I couldn't wait, and so I had to get it off Amazon, and I was really happy and relieved Amazon sells this. So if you're stumped and you can't find them anywhere, link in the description box, period. So next, speaking of oils, I'm gonna get into hair care. This oil got super popular over the years, and with its popularity, the price also went up, but Amazon does sell this on the low. So if you're watching this today, it is on sale. This is the Myel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. It's infused with biotin and encourages hair growth. This is my go-to oil. I've been using it for quite some time now. However, because I run out of it, I've been noticing the prices going up and up and up and up and up. So I was really relieved that I saw it on Amazon on sale for like, I think 18 bucks at the time. And it was I think right now it's retailed for about $22. So I was really relieved to see it for about $17 or $18 on Amazon. So make sure to restock. Now getting into a bit of something that I'm kind of obsessed with lately, and I've been seeing a lot of girls use this like at restaurants, at brand events, everywhere. These girls are walking into restaurants with this. No shame. Just like, hey, we're taking selfies. We're gonna be taking content. We're not taking content. We just want a nice pic with our friends. They're using this light. Legit jaw dropped. I was completely shocked. Number one, I didn't know people were walking into just like public spaces like with their own light, which I think is iconic. Like, I don't look at other people doing content in public and being like, oh my God, so annoying. I'm just like, go ahead, send me the link. Like, where did you get that? So I finally purchased this, and it's been a game changer. If you're watching this and you're a content creator, or even if you're not a content creator and you need this for Zoom calls or whatever the case may be, this light is very, very powerful. I use this in my bathroom, which has no windows. It brightens up when I'm on TikTok live. It brightens up when I need to do content. Like, I'll give you a couple examples of what this light does and what my video quality is when I record with this light on my iPhone. I always get asked, like, what camera are you using? What camera are you using? What camera are you using? With this particular light, it's always my iPhone. Always. But let me show you guys what it looks like. I mean, there's other lights here, but let me show you what it looks like. Maybe against my face, it would actually make a difference, but this is the warm hue. This is the warm and the cool together. And then this is the cool. Crazy. I absolutely love this. I'll just attach it to my phone, hop on a live, hop on a meeting, like whatever it is, and then boom, like this will literally, I'm obsessed. I love it. And what I really like is how thin it is. That's the thing. It's like really thin. So I like to take off this attachment, which attaches to the phone. I like to remove this and legit throw it in my purse. It does fit with the attachment, depending on what purse you're bringing, but it is really thin. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. I know there are different ones, like it's been getting pretty popular lately. So I know there are other ones in the market, but this is from the new Noah. Again, I'll link it down there for you. It is so compact, so perfect, so just, and it's perfect. I love it. If you are trying to get into content creating and you want to take it a bit more seriously, I would highly recommend to get this. Honestly, like I have studio lights in front of me, but if I were to start content from scratch today, I would literally have this, my phone, and a tripod. That's it. That's it. This next item is actually this tree right behind me. It's something that just makes me so happy. Something about like just greenery just warms my heart, honestly. It is so cute, so perfect, so aesthetically pleasing. I got some feedback on one of my videos, and it was my winter favorites video, and I got some feedback being like, yeah, okay, the clothing rack is cool. That's the cute thing like behind me right over here. But like, it would be nice to have that green element just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. So I was like, you know what? Let me get an olive tree. It's cute. It's nice. I love it in the background. It gives that nice depth of field when I'm recording YouTube videos. This one in particular is fake, but it's really cute. The one thing I would recommend is spreading out the leaves, making it a little bit more fuller looking. If you're still working from home, this is also like still a nice touch when you're in meetings and stuff like that. I absolutely love it. I love having it in the background. I love seeing it when I'm editing the videos and stuff. It's just perfect. The basket that you see with it is also from Amazon. I was actually thinking about getting the one from IKEA. Like I was already like set on getting it from IKEA, but I don't know if you guys do this. This is what I do for even the hair oil. If I know there's a product that I need to restock or I need to purchase, I'll look at where to purchase it, like IKEA, Walmart, or whatever the case may be. And I'll just do a price comparison and a review comparison. And majority of the time, Amazon really comes through with beating with price and the deal. So what I mean by that is I was dead set on getting this basket from IKEA that was about $17 or $18. And I went on Amazon. I'm just like, you know what, before I go, let me see if Amazon has something similar. That way I don't have to leave the house and it can just be delivered to me. And lo and behold, that basket actually was a 2-for-1 deal for 20 bucks or 25 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. So I was just like, you know what? Perfect. Like I could use the second basket for something else, which I am right now. And it was super convenient and ultimately a better deal at the end of the day. One thing about me, I love stationery. If you guys have watched my vlogs, I'm always at Dollarama. And I'm always looking at stationery items. Journaling is vital for me. I have a daily journal. I have my gratitude journal. I have my planner. Like journals are something that I need to have every single day. I know it's a bit excessive because I'll have four journals in one day, but it all makes sense. Trust me. I like being very organized, but I also like making sure that the notebooks that I get are super high quality. I know I sound a bit strange, but nothing grinds my gears than getting a notebook that just falls apart. So although moleskins are a bit on the pricier side than other notebooks that are out there, it's something that lasts forever. Like I've never experienced a moleskin notebook that has ripped or anything. And I've literally purchased moleskins back to back for the past, I would say, 3 years, because my previous notebooks, I've tried Muji, I've tried Amazon basic notebooks, I've tried Dollarama notebooks, I've tried it all. So I always go back to the moleskin. I typically go for like a black notebook, but I was like, you know what? Red is kind of cute. And I've never tried this size before. And it's like really nice and cute and can like just fit in any bag. So I figured, you know what? Let me get this one. This is brand new, so I'm really excited to use this one. But yes, this is by far a staple for me. This is something I always have to like restock and purchase again and again and again, to the point where I think my next moleskin, I'm going to go for the 400 pager as opposed to the 240, because I've been writing a lot and I run through those books quite often. So this is going to be my little daily agenda journal, which I'm really excited about. So yeah. And I love the color. Personally, if I write things down, they're most likely gonna get done. So that's why I love to write everything in my journal. I'm not like an iPad kind of girl. Like I tried like with my phone, the reminder app and stuff like that. It just doesn't work. Like I need pen on paper. So this is a staple for me. Next are these earrings that I have on right now. I absolutely love the texture that it has. I've always loved gold accessories, but I really like these drop hoop earrings. They're so pretty. I've been wearing studs lately and I just wanted to break and go back to wearing like my hoops, and I've been wearing it quite often and I thought I'd share it with you guys on my Amazon favorites. So we've gone over like a lot, but if you guys want more Amazon favorites or just favorites in general like IKEA or something like that, let me know in the comment section down below. I love making videos like this because it really just validates the purchase that I made. I'm a product junkie, purchase products, try them out, see what works, see what doesn't work, and share them with you guys. But these types of videos just really like remind me like, wow, like yeah, this worked. This really worked. Like I need to share it with you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, please be sure to subscribe. It would mean so much to me if you like this video as well. And I'll catch you guys on my next video.